Hello, hi everyone. Hope you enjoy my channel and videos. Thank you for keep watching and subscribing. Today is a very short video. I'm going to demonstrate one of the hotspot, Buckingham Road Double Mini Roundabout. I'm at the moment on Church Green Road, close to the Bletchley Test Centre. Coming up at the mini roundabout, turn left, first exit into Church Green Road. So on this roundabout, you need to be very careful. Look on the right side corner, and if no one is there, you can turn left. If anyone turning towards to you, you can't go. So I'm on Church Green Road, heading towards to Buckingham Road Double Mini Roundabout. So there are 4 entrance and exits on this Buckingham Road Double Mini Roundabout. People mostly fail their lane discipline observation, because normally mini roundabouts come with single lane, but this Buckingham Road Double Mini Roundabout comes with 2 lanes. So sometime if you misjudge whoever on the right side, you will fail the test. So I'm going to show you from test center through Church Green Road. End of the Church Green Road, we are going to turn left into Chenley Road. So the car ahead is a test car, so we are not going to distract them. Let them do the test. End of the road, we are going to turn left. So remember, center mirror, left door mirror, put the left signal. You must follow the routine. Mirror signal, position, speed, look, routine. So enter into the corner, look right, left, right. There is a silver car coming. At the same time, from Dover Gate, someone coming. So I have to keep an eye on them as well. Looking left, right, and nicely move. When you're moving, you need to be very careful. This road is a little bit busy. I'm recording this on a Saturday, so Saturday midday. The time is now 10 to 1. So it's nice and bright, sunny day, but it's very busy. There is a parked car on the right side, so that's why people just cutting off. So when you're passing through this parked car, you need to be very careful. The test car ahead is very hesitancy. So look at this. They stopped for this car. So checking your mirrors nicely. Go right, and again checking your left door mirror coming back. So when you change your direction, you must check your mirrors. So coming up Buckingham Road Double Mini Roundabout. Now this time what we are going to do is, first roundabout turn right, second roundabout following straight. Mirror, mirror, signal right. When you're approaching this way from Chenley Road, look at this pedestrian. You must notice there are 2 lanes. So keep on the right lane. Nicely drive around 5-6 miles per hour. Then only you can keep closer to the circle. Keep on the right lane. So now following straight. So if anyone turning this way, you need to give way to them. Otherwise, you don't need to signal on mini roundabout when you're exiting. So we are on Buckingham Road now. I'm going to take you on the other side again. So this is from Chenley Road towards to Buckingham Road, turning right and following straight. Now we will go back again from Newton Road to Chenley Road. I will show you how to deal with that. So I am on St. Andrews Road. End of the road, turn left into St. John's Road. Looking right, Left, right is all clear because parked cars on the right side. If anyone already here, look at this car. Yeah, he's going inside, so I can go. Even we have priority. Don't jump into the road. At the junction, we are turning right into St. Mary's Avenue. End of the road, we are turning left. So that's the Newton Road. Center mirror, left door mirror, signal left. Look right, left, right, all clear. Nicely enter into Newton Road. It's all 30 road, but I couldn't drive more than 24 or 23 because it's very congested. Now after the bend, we are heading towards to Buckingham Road double mini roundabout. So on this way from Newton Road to Chenley Road, first roundabout turn right. Look at this. Only one lane there. Mirror, center mirror, right door mirror, put the right signal. You can keep in the middle now. Look on the right side. The van is coming, but he is signaling and he is keeping on the right lane, so he is not coming. And turning around nicely and stay on the left lane. Mirror, mirror, signal left. Look at that white car. He is coming towards to us, so you must give way. If you don't give way to that white car, that's you will fail. So nicely coming into the Chenley Road. So this one from Newton Road, turning right and left into Chenley Road. So sometimes Sedna will confuse you, saying different or both direction together. But don't confuse, just have a look the green line on the SATNAV and follow. So if you listen the voice too much on the SATNAV, you will confuse yourself.